There are many ways to roast a chicken, but what we're looking for is a crisp golden skin on the outside and tender and very moist within. For me, the best way to achieve this is what I call fast roasting on the highest temperature possible. When you buy a chicken, it needs to be plump and healthy looking, and a good one should have this little band of fat along the breast. This is a small free-range chicken, and it's going to serve 4 people. For fast roasting, you need to cut the strings and remove them. Then open out the chicken and leave it aside for about an hour or 30 minutes if it's a hot day, because for fast roasting, the chicken needs to be at room temperature. Place the chicken in a good, solid, medium-sized roasting tin. Now, season it with some freshly milled black pepper and some salt. The oven needs to be preheated at its highest setting, which is 230 degrees Celsius or gas mark 8. Place it in the lower third of the oven. Now for the easy bit. Just go away and leave it for 45 minutes without opening the door. And put a timer on to remind you. After 45 minutes, check the chicken is cooked by giving the leg a gentle tug to see if it has some give. You can also insert a skewer in the thickest part of the leg. If the juices run clear, the chicken is cooked, and if not, give it another 5 minutes. Loosen the chicken underneath then insert a wooden spoon, and using an oven glove to protect your hands, turn it up to empty all the juices into the roasting tin to make a sauce. And now place the chicken on a carving board. Cover it with some foil and allow it to rest for about 20 minutes. Why does it need to rest? This is because the high heat of the oven brings all the juices up to the surface, and whilst the chicken relaxes, it allows all those precious juices to then seep back into the flesh. Using a carving fork to steady the bird, insert a very sharp knife and slant it to get it into the right place between the thigh bone and the body. And then remove the thigh and the drumstick in one piece. Then divide the drumstick and thigh, cutting through the joint so you have 2 leg portions. Now remove the wing on the same side. And then slice the breast. Just look at all that lovely juice. Finish off slicing the breast. Do the same on the other side of the bird. Finally, use a spoon to scrape off every last bit. Fast roasting chicken is the very easiest and best way of all. This fast roast chicken was cooked with tarragon and grapes, which are then used to make a sauce. And you can find the recipe here online.